Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to the Print Haven. Today we're going to be reviewing the top 3 bridesmaids proposal gift ideas for your wedding. Are you a December bride? Is your wedding coming up? This video is for you and we will be right back. Welcome back guys to the Print Haven. My name is Dr. Femi, and as I said earlier, we're going to be reviewing the top 3 bridesmaids proposal gift ideas for your wedding. So let's get to it. But before then, remember to like our video. Remember to leave a comment as well. Let us know which gift you like the best. Let us know which gift box you like the best. Also turn on your notifications. You don't want to miss out on any of the videos that we're going to be posting. Okay, let's get to it. So, proposal gift box number 1. As you can see, the box is personalized and beautifully wrapped with a light peach cross grain ribbon. I'm excited. Do you want us to open it? Okay, let's get to it. Let's open the box up. Ooh. And guess what? On the inside, it has a question. Will you be my bridesmaid? Like, which bridesmaid will ever say no to this? Trust me. It's an automatic yes. So let's look at the contents of the box. This has a candle, lovely scented candle, personalized candle. The next item is a box set of 12 makeup brushes. Beautiful makeup brushes. So your girl is going to be looking pink on your wedding day. A face towel to keep the face clean, and also a beauty bag. The beauty bag is for your makeup brushes, and your girl can take it on her trip and all of that. So these are the items for this box, the beautiful items for this box. Your girl is definitely going to say a big resounding yes to your proposal. So we're going to move on to the next gift box. But guys, remember to like. I'm sure you like this first box. I can't wait to show you what's in the second box. Remember to like our video. Remember to leave a comment. And also, please subscribe to our channel. We would love you to subscribe to our channels. Don't forget to also turn on the notification button. So we're going to move on to the proposal box number 2. I absolutely love this box. I love pink, obviously. Very girly. So let's look at what's inside. So for this box, you have the question on the outside. So your girls already know where this is headed to. But I'm sure like by the time they see the contents, they'll be blown away. They can't even say a no to you. It's gonna be a resounding yes yet again. So let's see what's inside this pretty box. Everything, or the most of the items in the box are personalized, right? Because you have to know who you're giving it to and all of that. Now in this box, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells really good. We have scented candles, personalized. We have a hand wash. We have a brush set for the makeup. We also have a hand towel, beautifully ribboned, and we have a comb set. I especially like these combs, very nice and flowery. So yes, so those are the contents for this particular box. Tell me which one you like the most. Which of these items you like the most? I absolutely love the candles. They smell amazing. I love the combs. They're very nice and flowery. The hand wash smells beautiful as well. I love the multicolor of the makeup brushes, and who doesn't need a towel? Like you need like 100 towels in your house all the time, so they always come in handy. That's box number 2. I hope you loved the unboxing as much as I loved looking at them and reviewing the boxes. Remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Box number 3. This is a little different from the other 2 because we have put this box together for your maid of honor. You know, it has to be a little different from what you give the rest of the train because she has extra duties on that day. She's probably the closest person to you, your closest friend. So you want to make her box extra special. So this is a rose gold gift box set. It is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. I don't even want to unbox it. Like, I just want to keep it like forever and just keep staring at it. But for your viewing pleasure, we're going to open it up so that we can look at what the contents are. So let me just unribbon the box. Now, this box has the acrylic top. It's a wooden box with the acrylic top, and you can either have just her name or even a personal message on the box. Isn't that amazing? You can actually put a personal message on the box, you know, a personal message for your wonderful maid of honor. So in this box, we have the thermal flask, personalized, rose gold, of course. Very, very functional. Take it to the office, take it to the gym. Now, if you're relaxing at home, you want to drink some wine, you have a wine cup. And to accompany the wine cup, you have the wine opener. So, yeah, very, very nice. The next item here is the bejeweled mirror. For that special maid of honor in your life. Very pretty. Personalized as well, yet again, so pretty. What's not to love about our bejeweled mirror? The next one is the hairbrush. Rose gold yet again and personalized to brush those hairs with the very, very soft bristles. Now we also have the rose gold journal that carries a personalized message on it. So if you want to send an extra special message to Jessica, here you go. Very pretty. Last but not the least is the rose gold pen that is also personalized for that special maid of honor in your life. So if you're a December bride, we have given you options, or if you're a bride-to-be, it doesn't have to be in December, but if you're a December bride, we've given you so many beautiful options, gift options that you want to gift your girls. These are gifts that they'll remember for a lifetime. The fact that they're personalized means that they're not going to be sharing it, you know. So it's extra special. If you leave an extra special message as well, I mean, you're going to score points for life. I hope you have liked the selections that we have picked out for you. If you did, please leave a comment. Let us know which is your favorite, and remember to subscribe and turn on your notification button. We will see you next time with another amazing review video from the Print Haven. Bye.